Welcome to the research world. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to describe and analyze the complex charts with the help of the different online tools. So let's follow. First of all, you need to search for the Google AI Studio. Then click on this first website, that is Google AI Studio. This window will pop up if you are not logged in from your Google account, so you will be asked for the sign in. Now, for example, I want to analyze a complex chart that is very difficult to understand. Simply copy this chart from here, copy image, go to the Google AI Studio, and paste it over here. Now, write the prompt as describe and analyze it, and then click on the Run. Wait for the few seconds the Google AI Studio is generating our results. It has started generating the result. You can see from the very start the information about the axis, the data point, the axes, as well as the model summary are being generated. That is the model representation, parameter estimation, and each and everything about this chart has been provided by the Google AI Studio in few seconds. So with the help of the Google AI Studio, you can analyze, you can describe any of the complex charts within seconds. This will help you in your research projects as well as the academic studies. Thank you for watching.